Heavy rain being the main threats. Significant weather advisory for west central McLennan and northeastern Corio counties until 4:30 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Gatesville, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Gatesville, McGregor, Crawford, Oglesby, and South Mountain. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The storm may intensify, so closely monitor for additional information or possible warnings from the National Weather Service.